Hey there, welcome to another story session. If you are new here, make sure to stick around till the end, as this story will help you understand English in a fun and engaging way. So let's dive into the story. Today's story called The Wolf and the Crane. One day, a wolf was eating too quickly and got a bone stuck in his throat. He tried to get it out, but he couldn't. He couldn't eat anything and was very worried. So he went to a crane and said, "Your long beak can reach the bone. Please take it out, and I will give you a great reward." The crane was scared but also greedy. She wanted the reward, so she agreed to help. She put her head into the wolf's mouth and carefully pulled out the bone. Once the bone was out, the wolf turned to leave. "Wait," the crane called. "What about my reward?" The wolf laughed and said, "Reward? You should be happy I didn't bite your head off. Now go away before I change my mind." The crane realized she had been fooled. She felt angry and sad, but learned an important lesson: never trust a greedy and selfish creature. Moral of the story: selfish people do not care about others, even if you help them. So that was the story. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this story helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more stories every week. So bye for today.